Hi, Andy Bullock here, and I know over the last couple of months we've talked about different rosettes and how to make rosettes and edge beading and things like that, how to attach barrette backs. These are just some variations of some rosettes that I've been working on, and I continue, even with all of these designs, I continue to use that template that we talked about earlier of that basically 8-point star. So it may not be evident right off the bat, but even the guitar and the legs and the head of this guitarist still works off that 8 line. So I, for all patterns, just use that as a good place to get started. And I started several years ago. My mom was in a nursing home and she didn't really want to be there. But she had a bunch of necklaces that I had made and she would wear them every once in a while. And that kind of was a good conversation starter for her. So that really brought her into conversations at the nursing home. And it got to the point that, you know, the nurse would come and say, "Oh, Harriet, where's your necklace? You don't have your necklace on today." And she'd go running back to my mom's room and get her a necklace. And so it really kind of included my mom in those conversations, which I thought was great and made that, a little bit easier for her to do. So that inspired me to kind of think of other designs and patterns that would be whimsical and give people a fun idea for that. So a lot of these holiday things that I started making for her, really were just kind of fun and inspired. And I think this one here of Santa Claus stuck in the chimney was probably one of her favorite. But on top of just the plain rosettes, I've just become a little bit more interested in some of the, I think some people call it the bling or the three-dimensional parts of rosettes that just make it interesting. So we start out with a basic rosette, kind of like the witch, and again, using that same template of 8 points to orient the broom handle, for instance, and the head, but then I think makes it interesting by adding some little, their old metal steel cut beads for the hair and adding the corn yellow beads for the broom, really kind of make it come alive. So I think all of those additions, they're not dramatic, they're not overpowering, but it makes it intriguing. The witch here, I actually added some purple horsehair for the hair, and I think that really just makes it look like she's flying across the sky. Santa Claus here, and he's got a string of those old-fashioned Christmas lights, so that he's literally putting the lights around the Christmas tree. Three-dimensional, just makes it a little bit more interesting. This Santa Claus here, it's got a Christmas tree kind of in 3 dimension on the side. Again, just to give it that added dimension of intrigue, right down to the little leprechaun here. And again, I've added some beads for the beard, and also just to kind of make that rainbow trail off. It, to me, makes it a little bit more interesting. And it keeps me interested, and I think, there's only so many 8-pointed star rosettes you can make before it becomes kind of boring. But, looking at some of the creations, so I'll make for instance, this fella out flying a kite, and I've added the kite with a string so that you can actually get that feel of being out in April morning flying a kite. And then that pattern really kind of lends itself to some of these other ideas, like this couple up here doing a wild dance. And so each of these rosettes really kind of inspires me to think about and kind of change the designs a little bit to make other rosettes. So it's amazing how related they really are, right down to the hoop dancer, which was one of my mom's favorite necklaces, and that certainly brought great memories of our friendships with Star and Clear Sky and Esther over the years, where they would do those hoop dances at a lot of the events that we had gone to. So I've added the little metal hoops, and I've added a little bit of hair. Again, it's just that added touch that I think really makes a rosette something unique. So enjoy.